What's up, guys? I'm going to talk to you a little on my walk. Yeah, I know my nose is all fucked up. Don't worry about it. Let myself on fire. No, seriously, let's have a conversation. So, my car recently broke. You guys are probably aware that you follow my channel. A friend of mine had the same mods, and his shit just broke. So, well, this is my thing, man. If you're using this BMR IRS bushings, you should probably remove those bitches immediately. And if you're using the Steeda, same fucking thing. Because I had the Steeda, and my friend had the BMR kit, and they're basically identical. You look at them side by side. Somebody ripped somebody off. I don't know. I don't care. But my point is, my friend last weekend got underneath his car after mine broke at the track, made sure all his stuff was torqued down, and now his shit is broke like mine. So this is yet again another fucking product that has failed. That it's bullshit. I mean, when these break, and they do, and I now wish I had done more research on these fucking things, because if you Google BMR sub-frame bushings, everyone in the fucking community is like, oh, these are the best goddamn things ever. But then, when you start reading about people who've had the failures there, it's going to cost you a drive shaft, well, maybe some rear gears. It's definitely going to fuck up the diff cover if it bounces sideways. Not to mention, it can dig into your, gas tank a little bit if you're unlucky like some people. So, that's kind of what I've got to talk about here, is the fact that the company's going to keep us out here with failure after failure. Seems like it's pretty fucked up. So he broke down this weekend. So at the Jifco Power Tour, and his car's fucked up. Same issues. Dropped his rear diff, his fucking drive shaft went up into the air, dug into every fucking thing, and this week I'm gonna help him tear it apart. But I can guarantee that we're gonna find mashed up gears, because I mean it chewed up my pinion gear, and we're gonna probably have to replace the drive shaft or redo it like they're doing mine. And hopefully he's lucky and there's no damage to his fuel cell or fuel tank. But yeah, it's kind of bullshit. So my warning to you guys out here using this kit, remove that shit immediately, and either get the I've looked for other people. UPR maybe has one, I just haven't found it yet, but I would remove that, and either I would go to a solid option. I think what's happening is you got the two bearings on either side of it that are bracing it, but the inside is still fucking rubber, and as it jolts and moves around, it damages the bolt on the inside and just breaks it. And sooner or later, one end gives out. And I think that's what happened with his. I think he torqued it down, and he said, oh, it's still torqued. But I think it already snapped, and he was just barely bolting it in, and the thing just snapped down. So that's really all I've got for you guys this week. I'm still waiting on the dry shaft to come back. It's at a local place here being reskinned. And then I'm waiting on DSS to send me some fucking boots so I can put the whole rear subframe back together. So it's kind of what I got going, guys. But that's basically what I've got going. I did yank off the other tires. I do have bias ply. So I want to see how this works. Hopefully the bias ply work better than the radials. Everyone keeps telling me to use a bias ply, and so we will find out. I do have the radials off, and I hope that's just not some bullshit, but I mean, I trust the shops I go to, so if they, like I said, I listen to the shops I go to and they say do it, I'm just gonna fucking do it. I'm not gonna argue with them, so I think they have my best interest at heart, and yeah, they want to make money, but I kind of get what they want. But that's really all that I got for you guys. I'll try to get this uploaded in the next few days. I had some pictures of all the carnage. But man, like I said, if you guys are using that BMR kit, Chuck it the fuck out of there.